If you're touching your hair and it sounds like you're digging your hands into a bag of chips, you need some moisture. Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I take off my hair to reduce the shedding. You're not gonna take off your braids that you've had for 10 years and expect not to see shedding. The point here is for minimal shedding, not zero shedding, minimal shedding. And I was supposed to wear this for 2 months, but it started giving me a headache. And usually when I start getting a headache from my braids, that's how I know that it's time to take it off. You see, I started from the front because that's where I usually start getting a headache. So I started from here, and I also took, I think I took out one here. Like just tugging on it a little bit is giving me a headache. I took out one here as well, and this is the amount of hair I have lost so far. Let me put it here. Some of this is not mine because that one is straight, but this is the amount of hair I have lost so far. And by the time I'm done taking off my hair, I want to see how much hair I'm going to lose. And this is my product of choice, the As I Am water, the rosemary oil with biotin, and some other ingredients. I have no idea what it is. The point is to make sure that your hair is moisturized. If you're touching your hair and it sounds like you're digging your hands into a bag of chips, you need some moisture. If you don't have this, you can boil flax seed and you can put it in a spray bottle and you can use it to take out your braids. And the good thing is that it's gonna also detangle your hair as well. And as I'm taking off the braids, I'm also putting them in like tiny braids so it doesn't tangle. Again, water is very important. Alright, I know I said I won't come back until I'm done, but I am starting in the front. I usually start from the most sensitive places. I probably said that already, but I can't. It's gonna take me longer because I can't, but I can. But I really wanted to save the hair, so let me show you how I do it. So since they're knotless braids, when I get to where they started braiding my hair, I just sprayed the water right there and then just rub it through my hair and then spray my hair again. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and soften that area and then slowly unbraid it. Unless you don't care about going bald, then you can go ahead and just shave it off. Because again, there is product buildup from when I was shampooing my hair. See? Right? And now that the braid is completely out, including the braid with my hair, don't see any residue. Alright, and here is how much hair I lost. Again, this is a very sensitive section of my hair, so I expect it to shed from the pull of the braids, but still not bad. And again, you see there's absolutely no residue, and the heck is that? It makes it easier for me during my wash day. So when I'm washing, I don't have to worry about detangling again. I still can, probably still should, but I don't have to worry about it. I take it back. I don't want to repurpose the hair anymore. This is all I've gotten so far, and I know I said you should have patience. You should. I just don't, but you should. I just don't. Alright, whatever. It is currently 1:32 a.m. This is what I have done so far. Pretty much. am finally done with taking off my hair. And everywhere in my apartment is just hair. So now it calls for a deep clean. I would usually do this on a Sunday, and my wash day is also tomorrow. I could have done it tomorrow, or I could do it tomorrow, but I really don't want to wait. It has to be clean today. So this is the hair I ended up saving. Yep, that's it, all on my head. Obviously couldn't save all of them. Like some on the floor here, like this one. I'm gonna pick it up. This was expensive. Yeah, so I obviously couldn't save every single piece of boho hair, but at least I got to save most of them. That's all that matters. So I'm just gonna go ahead and tie it, and then I'm gonna let my hair go so you can see what it looks like. All right, this is the total amount of hair I lost taking down my hair. Some of it is not mine. Like this one's definitely not mine. My hair is not this color. Let me see. Let me try another one. This one's not mine. All right, so this is the total amount of hair I lost while doing this, and it's not bad. It's not bad. So now I'm gonna go ahead and spray this, because again, I'm not washing my hair today. Tomorrow is wash day. I don't wash my hair the same day I take it off. Obviously not, because it took me 3 days to wash this, to take the braids off. And then I'm not even gonna waste this serum, but tomorrow when I wash my hair, I'm gonna use this serum. I alternate between these two. Sometimes I use it twice, but I always make sure I'm using at least one of them. And now that I just took off my hair, the ones that I started taking off, they are a bit dry, so I'm just gonna wet this. And that is it. That is all for the takedown video. And if you want to see how I wash my hair after I take it out of braids, it's basically the same as when I have the braids in. And I do have a video of how I wash my hair, and I'm keeping the same routine. And if the products that I'm using right now works for my hair, then I'm gonna be using it forever, because I don't see any need of me switching into a new brand or whatever. But if it works, and I'm gonna keep it that way. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.